Hello guys and welcome back. So for today we have this floor right here that we need to take off and insulate it. So at the moment we are removing everything. We will need to remove even the boards, of course, for our insulation, and just after we are going to know exactly what we are doing, because at the moment we are speaking about putting a 50 mm insulation, but all of that depending even of the timbers that we have underneath the joists, because in base of that thickness we are going to add more insulation. So at the moment my partner right here, Mr. Romeo, is taking all the underlay out, and then we are going to start to remove the floor. So without any further ado, let's crack on. Actually, we have some nice biscuits here and a little bit of coffee. So probably soon after that, let's crack on. Now, on this job right here, Mr. Romeo, right over there, is going to do most of the job, because I still have my broken hand. A couple of days ago, I just took my cast off, but I should really keep it for another 9 weeks or so. So yeah, at the moment, I just have something that is going to hold my my hand, my arm all together, and yeah, I cannot rise more than 4 kilos. That's what the doctor said. So I will try not to force it too much. Now, the floor is almost out, but we have some small problems here, because this floor is quite old, tongue and groove, and this type of nails is make it very, very difficult for us to take the floor out without damaging it. And yes, we are taking our time, but still we do some damage, because we have one nail there and one nail there, and then that is going inside. And when we are trying to pull it out, it's going to break, it's going to split. And yes, it's giving us a little bit of headache, and we are going quite slow, but it is what it is. Many of them, they should need replacing, or at this moment I'm just thinking that we are going to need to do another brand new floor, either with chipboard, ply, or same boards that we have here. But that is for the client to decide. This one needs replacing 100%. This one got out really, really bad. Oh well, it is what it is. beautiful. Okay, so at the moment we are putting some insulation on the pipes, and we also added a new radiator here. And we are going to insulate everything, and then we are going to install those 2x1s underneath, just for the insulation not to go down. Now we have here on this side and on the other side, even on that side, there is a wall which it can actually hold the insulation, because I don't want for that in time to just fall in between the joists and down on the floor. So yeah, now the builders that they were working before, they left a lot of mess around here, even bricks and stuff. And yeah, our client told us that it's not to bother about, so we are not going to touch that. But you can see it's a lot of mess inside there. Alright, so we are almost done with the buttons that we are putting underneath, and we started to put some insulation right around here, because we have another wall the front and we don't want to block all the vents with the PIR board. So yeah, we just put a little bit of that loft insulation mineral wool, and now we are going to start to cut this one and just put it inside the joists. We are going to have some small problems with these pipes here, because we'll need to cut them around them. Probably that is the only problem that we have at the moment, just in this corner right here. So, ready to insulate. Alright guys, so finally now it's a little bit tidier and all the installation is in, and at the moment we are just going to put the chipboard on, so we are going to start to do the floor also. But yeah, everything is done like I was saying, and we still need to put a little bit of expanding foam here and there, but we are just going to leave that for now because it's going to give us a lot of problems when the foam is going to expand, because we need to put now the chipboard on. Now we already put a little bit of foam here and there, but in the moment that we are going to put the boards on, before that, after we do our cuts, we are going to put some foam in these small gaps right here, and soon after the chipboard is going to stay on top of that, so no expansion is going to happen when the heavy board is on top, so less messy, let's say. And yeah, what can I say? At the moment everything is done, ready for the chipboard, and let's carry on. And we started, guys. Now we have all the chipboard right here, and we are ready to put everything on. And I just noticed it, so this is the middle joist and the sides. And that means probably we are going to get some gap here and there, because if they are not going to be all in line, you might get some gaps. But anyway, we are ready to install everything now, and we will see how it's going to be. And finally, guys, we have finished, and the floor now is done. Just put a little bit of foam all around there, and tomorrow I'm just going to come and cut it. And just wanted to tell you, look how many tools for one floor: plumbing, fittings, nail guns. It's almost taking the entire room. Anyway, I'm going to refilm this tomorrow, so you can see the entire room, how it's looking. Very happy with the joints, and that is Romeo that's done all this. So he needs a big applause. He's happy. He likes when people speak nice about him. But I have to say, I enjoy it also. especially when I get those nice comments. And yeah,